Adam's here with how to make a homemade cat toy. So the two things you need are a piece of string. You can be longer, even shorter, whichever length. Well, maybe shorter wouldn't be that good. Cats are pretty smart. And post-it notes. So just take the piece of string and get it anywhere. Clothing, if you want to. And then you take a post-it note, rip it off, put the rest away, and put length of the piece of string on the sticky part of the post-it note. The sticky part of the post-it note, like near the middle. So it's like near the middle, so that it sticks and it's in the middle of the sticky part, like that. So you can see that. And then you just take the other end that's not sticky, and then you just fold it over to meet that end. And if you want, you can, well, you just have to push down the sticky part. If you want to, you can push down, like, the other part, this part, the rounded part. But I leave it open. And now, to show you that it actually works. Here we go. I have the toy. I actually have two of them. Oops. I actually have two of them. And so here, just hang it in front of the cat. Eventually he'll get up and start playing with it. Like that.
My greatest voice was a hoarse whisper. No bookmarks. Access can be filled. No, it has to be someone from the online dating service or something like this.
She took it.
You said you sign on
So you can see it works.
Even sounds good.
And if you want to, have a little up this thing. And if you want to, you can make it automatic, and then just take a little piece of tape and just tape one of the open end to the side of a table or something like this, and then put a fan in front of it. There's a fan over there, but the computer's blocking it. Just like move it around a little bit, try to play with it. Yeah, so that's my homemade cat toy.